Hi everyone, today for math we are going to be doing some more problem strings, but today we are really going to be focusing on the multiples of 10 and using number lines. So you are going to need your math notebook or your math journal. You're going to turn it to the next page and you're going to title it Get to a Friendly Number and then put our date, which is September 15th. So go ahead and do that. If you need more time, pause the video. When you are ready, make sure you have a pencil. You are going to title it Get to a Friendly Number. Okay, and our first problem string is going to be 28 plus 7. So today we're going to be focusing on getting to a friendly number and using those multiples of 10. So I'm going to use a number line for mine, which I want you all to really use number lines today. Okay, and remember when we do a number line, we always want to start with our largest number, which today is going to be 28. So I'm starting at 28, okay, and I want to add 7, okay. Well, today I want to get to a friendly number. So if I start at 28, and if I add 2, that gets me to 30, which is a very friendly number. So I want to add a 7 total, and I already added 2. So to get to 7, I would have to add 5 more, which is then my answer is going to be 35. Okay, so you can see how adding the 2 right here to get to 30 made adding that 5 really easy. Okay, let's try another one, number 2. Number 2 is going to be 28 plus 13. Okay, so I'm going to use my number line again, and I'm always starting with my largest number, which is 28. Okay. And I know because from this problem, if I just add 2, I'm going to get to that friendly number of 30, which is a multiple of 10. Okay, and I want to add 13 total. So I already added 2, and if I look at 13, I have a 10, and I have my 1 spot. So I know that I'm just going to add another 10. 30 plus 10 is 40. Okay, so I added 12, and I want to add 13, so all I'm going to do is just add 1 more, and then I get my answer of 41. Okay, so these numbers right here that we add should equal to this number. Okay, number 3. 39 plus 4. 39 plus 4. Okay, so I always want to start with my largest number, and I'm going to figure out in my head how can I get to a multiple of 10 or a friendly number. So if I start at 39, all I would have to do is just add 1, and then that would get me to 40, which is a very friendly number. Then remember, I want to add 4 total. So I already added 1, so all I would have to do is add 3 more, and now that would get me to 43. So my numbers right here that I wrote equal to this number. So my answer is 43. Okay, number 4 is 39 plus 14. Okay, again, I'm going to do my number line. And I'm going to start with my largest number, which is 39 again. Okay, and I want to add 14. Okay, but I want to first get to a friendly number, so again, I'm just going to add 1. which is going to get me to 40, which is then really easy to add to. So I have 14 right here that I need to add. I have my ones and my 10 spot. I can look right here and that shows me that I have 110 that I need to add. So I'm going to add a 10, which would then bring me to 50. Okay, so if you look here, I added 11 and I need to get to 14. So all I'm going to have to do is add 3 more, and that would get me to 53. Okay, so then I look here, I have 13, 14. Okay, all right, I'm going on to my next paper. I'm going to do one more. Oops. Number 5. Okay, number 5 is a little bit harder, 39 plus 23. Okay, so again, I'm doing my number line. I'm starting with my largest number, which is 39. Okay, then I want to add one more to get to that friendly number of 40. So I'm adding 1 to get to 40. Okay, now I want to add 23. Okay, so I know right here I have 2 10s, and right here I have 3 1s, which I already added 1. So first I'm going to add my 2 10s. You can either do plus 10 and then plus 10, or you can just do plus 20, which I think I'm going to do right now. Plus 20. So 40 plus 20 is 60. Okay, so I've added 21 right here and I need to get to 23. So all I would have to do is add 2 more, which would get me to my answer of 62. Okay, and then I can check my work, make sure I've added everything by looking at these numbers here. So I have 20 plus 2 is 22, plus 1 more is 23, and that's what I need to add. So then my answer is 62. Okay, pretty simple. Let me see. Okay, you also have a worksheet for today, which is it's page 23 in your book. So in this Bridges student book, the one that you've been working in, it's going to be page 23. Okay. It is called More Counting On and Problem Solving. Looks just like this. Okay, so you are going to be answering the questions and then submitting this page using Kami online. Okay, so on the top part right here, you're just going to be counting by tens to fill in the blanks. Okay, letter A right here, you are going to be adding some numbers together to solve the problem. And then B, you're going to be solving the word problem 2. And then down here, you're going to be finishing these equations or solving the equations. If you have any questions with this page, please let me know. Again, you are going to submit that using Kami online, just like you have for your other ones. Okay, well, have a good day. Let me know if I can do anything to help.